Welcome back. Let's see what we're working on. Yep, this glorious thing again. But we're taking a break from the headlights, and we need to do front brakes. So we're going to do pads and rotors in this thing. These are super warped, so we're going to go ahead and pull these off and get the new stuff on. So I'm going to go gather up the parts, and we'll be right back. Alright, so it's raining, so I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible because this sucks. I should have did this yesterday, but I didn't. So, it's Easter. Here we are. Okay, so I like to stick a bar or a screwdriver in here and compress that piston as much as I can before I take this off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, now we're going to take off that one and that one, and then we'll take off that one and that one down there. Okay, those are a 15. Grab your hook, hang it from your coil spring, and hang your caliper up there. So now you can pull your pads out if you can get them out. Okay, for the caliper bracket bolts, you can use a 16 millimeter 12 point if you don't have the inverse E-Torx. Okay, so these have a little set screw on them, and mine is a 3/16 Allen key. It goes right there. If it's stuck on there, take a BFH and just beat it, because we're not reusing it, so we don't care. So now we're going to finish compressing this in. So you need one of these, and it goes in there like that. Put a pad on the back side, and then jam it in there, and you just screw it in. And that's when you know it's all the way compressed. So here are the parts that I bought. Brake pad and the set of rotors. Okay, on a slotted rotor, the slot lean towards the back of the vehicle, okay? And this one also has an L on it for that. Okay, so it will go like that towards the back, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and go grab the pads. So here's your new pads, and there's your new hardware. The ones with the little feeler, the squeaker, goes on the back. The one without goes on the front. Okay, and they come with grease. You're gonna put a little bit of grease on here and on there. It's to help it from to stop squeaking. Your hardware is right there and right there, and you just pull it and pry it out. And your new stuff goes in like that. So these are your slides, okay? They come in and out like that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pull them out of that bracket, and we're gonna throw some grease in there. I like to use the Red and Tacky, Lucas Red and Tacky, but use whatever you want. Okay, so that's how the pads are gonna go into the brake caliper bracket. Typically I wouldn't do that before I have it on the car, but I wanted to show it to you off the car because it's downpouring. So yeah, now we can go ahead and go put this on the car. Remember, squeaker on the back. Okay, it's gonna look like that. So now we can go ahead and take your caliper and put it back on. Now you can revel in your happiness and pick up all your garbage and clean everything up. Okay guys, so normally, well, I did, but when you put that rotor on, make sure and spray it off with brake clean. It just gets any machining oil off of it. So yeah, but we're good to go now. So yeah, I'm going to do the other side. Torque your wheels to 110 foot-pounds, and then after about 100 miles, double check them, make sure you're good. But anyway, like, subscribe, share us, ask questions. Deuces.